If you're looking to make expressive drawings in your sketchbook, then these tips will help you out. So let's get started right away and dive into some really quick tips that'll help you get started drawing in a fun, expressive way in your sketchbook. I wanted to share a resource I made called the Sketchbook Manifesto. It's a small PDF guide that's about diving back into sketching. Whether you're just starting out or getting back to the basics, this guide is for you. Inside, you'll find simple, straightforward tips on sketching techniques and how to start filling your sketchbook with drawings you actually like. Just head over to chriswilsonstudio.com/manifesto, enter your email to download your copy for free. Thanks. This video will introduce you to essential methods that will enhance your sketching skills, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your existing talents. From the way you hold your pencil and pen to the art of capturing shapes and shadows, these fundamental tips will set you on a path to creating dynamic and engaging sketches that you'll be confident in. So let's unlock the potential of your sketchbook with these straightforward and effective techniques. And the first one, I've mentioned this before in many other videos, it's embracing the unassuming ballpoint pen. So for beginners stepping into the world of sketching, the humble ballpoint pen might just be your secret weapon. And you might wonder, why a simple pen over a pencil? The answer lies in the mindset it helps foster. Drawing with a ballpoint pen teaches you an invaluable lesson early on, and that's the beauty of embracing imperfections and committing to your lines with confidence. Unlike pencils, pens don't offer the safety net of erasing, which might seem daunting at first. However, this is exactly why they're so beneficial. Working with a pen encourages you to let go of the fear of making mistakes. Every stroke you make is permanent, pushing you to think through your marks more carefully and to accept the occasional slip up as part of the learning process. It's part of the sketching process. It doesn't go away. This practice builds confidence in your drawing abilities. Also, using a ballpoint pen can help you develop a more decisive drawing style. Since you can't erase, you'll naturally start making more deliberate, confident marks. This not only improves your technique, but also helps in developing your unique artistic voice. My next tip is on how to hold your pen for dynamic sketching. And the way you hold your pen can seriously change up your sketching game. Holding your pen isn't just a small part of drawing, it's a big deal that shapes your artistic style. When you're diving into the nitty-gritty details and need those sharp, fine lines, grip your pen right near the tip, just like when you're jotting down notes. This gives you the ultimate control for those intricate details that you want to capture. Now, for a little secret that can make a huge difference, when you're sketching out the broader strokes, loosen up and hold your pen around the middle and sometimes even more towards the back of the pen. This isn't about being super precise, it's about freeing your hand to move across the page with ease. In fact, you'll be drawing with your arm and not so much your hand and wrist. This relaxed grip injects your sketches with a more lively and dynamic energy, letting your lines flow freely and kind of keep them feeling like they're full of life. My next tip is to start with the big picture. When you're diving into sketching, one of the first things to grasp is the incredible importance of lines and shape. Think of these elements as the building blocks of all visual art, kind of like the ABCs of drawing. They help us piece together images that grab attention and convey our vision clearly. So, as you look around, try to see the world as a collection of these basic forms. Notice how the curves and shapes created by light and shadow or the silhouettes of objects you're looking at can be simplified into geometric or organic shapes. This approach is super helpful, especially when you're just starting out. Instead of getting caught up in the small, intricate details, focus on drawing the big shapes first. This method gives you a strong framework for your sketches, making it easier to fill in the details later on. And my last tip for you is to keep shading simple. Shading is a game changer in sketching, but guess what? The real magic comes from keeping things simple. Start off by focusing on the clear lines that sketch out your subject. Think of shading as the supportive friend who comes in to add depth and bring your sketches to life without stealing the spotlight with too much complexity. As you get more comfortable with your sketching skills, you can start to play around with shading a bit more. But here's the trick: keep it straightforward. Picture the shadows and darker areas as shapes by themselves. Use easy techniques like hatching, cross hatching, or even just a bit of smudging to fill them in. This isn't about copying every tiny detail from real life. It's about capturing the general vibe and the essence of what you're drawing. So I hope these tips helped you. And if you like videos like this, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.